And how can you forget the Bhagatpur Crocodile Project? Shojnekhali Bird Sanctuary, Lothian Island and Holiday Island, Kolosh, Sagar Island and Jambuddeep, and watchtowers at Shojnekhali, Sudhannokhali, Neti Dhopani and Buri Dhabri. The Sundarbans has been declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and you can well see why. Now why is West Bengal such a beautiful, complete, exciting and satisfying destination? Adjectives are not enough to describe the state's incredible attractions, from the mountains to the sea. But it is best to take a plane or a